Now we are going to learn about settings. In the sense, to reach much more readers, few settings we can do. Okay, by that we can make our blog much more attractive. For that reason, we will be using some of the settings. Here on the left hand side, if you click on a settings, it will be loaded. Okay, once you have been loaded a settings, few settings I will tell you which are the things you have to modify. First thing is the title. It is already you have been given your name. Description you can write. Okay, you can write a nice description about your what are the things you are doing in your blog. That will help your readers to know in future what kind of content you will be writing. Okay, for that reason we have to give a description. What are the things we are going to discuss in this particular blog. Okay, save that one. Then you can select the language, in which language you are writing a content. Okay, if you are writing any adult contents, then we have to turn on this adult content, because the below 18 year who are all there in a Google, your blog will not be shown to them. Okay, if you are not giving this, you are not turning on the adult content and you are writing such contents, then you will be blacklisted. So your blog will be blocked for a permanent. Then it comes to the privacy, nothing to change. In a public publishing also, blog address, you know that this is your blog address, your website. You can say it as a website also. Okay, if you like to buy the website, your own website, in the sense like britaacademy.com, like that I would like to buy my own website, then we have to use a custom domain option. We can buy the domain. We'll learn that one, domain, how to buy the domain and manage the domain in coming videos. And then it comes to the, yes, it is a secured. It will give you the HTTPS secured validation it will give. So reader will have the confidence in your blog, like it will be log symbol will be there. Okay, and permissions, like if you change the blog admins, like you like to invite someone to the, if you like to change the admin position to the author or author to admin, like that you can change your position. The second thing is pending author invitations. You can invite authors here. Okay, you can invite the authors. Okay, if you have been invited anyone, okay, invite here, pending it will be showing. Here you can invite more authors, in a sense anyone you think that they can also write a content in your blog, you can send them email. That particular email ID you have to write. Okay, like this we can say that particular person come and write the blog for us. Like this we can invite someone to for writing a blog. Okay, then it comes to the reader access, like would you like to only the private access if you like to give, or public access you would like to give. Okay, that reader access you can create. Okay, and then it comes to a post. Okay, how many posts to be shown in a main page. Okay, you can say 10 posts you would like to show, or 5 posts in a main page you would like to show the number of the post. Okay, and commenting. Okay, would you like to get the comments or not? If you don't want to get a comment, you can say turn off the comment. While posting a post also you can turn off. Then it comes to a time zone. Okay, which time zone you are belongs to. We are in India, so we'll select India, GMT plus 5.5, Kolkata. Okay, this particular time zone. So whenever you post the this particular time zone, it will be considered. Okay, then it comes to the meta tags. Okay, you can turn off. Always it is suggested to turn on the meta tags, and you write some of the search descriptions. Okay, some of the search keywords you can write here, like technology, Microsoft Excel. Okay, like this you can keep some of the keywords as a meta tag. So anyone search the relevant keywords, your post will be shown there. So meta tag always turn on and give some of the keywords which is relevant to your business. Okay, then it is comes to the crawling and indexing. It is a main thing you have to learn in a digital marketing. Crawling is nothing but your page will be coming up when someone search in your uh, Google. Someone searching in a Google, your page should be come up. Okay, indexing also, your page will be registered somewhere in a Google. Okay, to turn on that, we have to turn on that. Okay, and enable custom robot page. Okay, this is the way we can turn on these two. Okay, these two if you are turning on, so that what will happen whenever someone searching any of the keywords you have been given here. Okay, any of if it is matching with your content, whatever the things you have been created. Okay, even any where you have been said something, if it is matching with the your content, it will be automatically shown your page on a top. Okay, for that reason we have to turn on these two. And monetization you will be turning on when you are using a console. Okay, Google console, when you start using a AdSense or console, Google console or AdSense, that particular time you can use a monetization. Not now, you can turn on that one. Then these are the main things we have to change in a your blog. Okay, these are the things we have to change in a blog. The other thing we can say, user profile. User profile is nothing but your personal information, like one who is creating author information. You can change this one. Okay, either you can say blogger draft or user profile. Here you can change the user profile by selecting this one. It will load one more page where you can change. You can upload a profile picture. Okay, profile photo you can upload here. Okay, by selecting this one you can upload a profile picture. Then it comes to a audio clip. If you have any podcast, then those podcast URL you can paste here. You can give your general information. If you have any personal website or anything, you can give here. And location, you can write which location you are belongs to. Bangalore, Karnataka, sorry. Okay, country also India. Then which industry you are working for, like you can give the occupation, author occupation. You can give the additional information like what are your interests. Okay, writing like this, you can give the interest, what are the interest you have. You can write brief introduction about yourself, in a sense author introduction or your company introduction. And you can give your favorite movies, music. Okay, favorite books you have been read. Okay, and random questions, some of the questions, and generate some question and you can answer for that one. Okay, this is a way you can, it will help someone, those who are checking your profile in a preview. Okay, once you have been saved the profile, once this has been saved, okay, it will be updated into your settings. It will be updated in your settings. For example, here if we reload the preview, you can observe on a left hand side view visit profile is that. If you click on visit profile, it will give the some of the information about a one who has been writing this particular blog. Okay, that particular thing we can update by using a setting option. Okay, in setting option we can change some of the things. Okay, last we can change about the author. by using a user profile, by changing a user profile. These are the things we have to change in your blog to reach more and more readers.